Hey, the observability professor back again. Now, last time I introduced you to Copilot and we showed you a couple of questions, and I promised I can do more. So let's try that again. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to ask another question. Requirements to comply with GDPR. Let's see what that has to say. And it's going to go look at all the information it has in there, and it's going to give me some information. So obviously, there's a lot of information there. But what we can also do is actually, Copilot can actually help me configure it. So from here, I'm going to jump over and I'm going to go to where it says Add Pipeline. And I'm going to click on that. I'm going to create pipeline with Copilot. So the pipeline now, I'm just going to call this, let me just call this GDPR. And I'll save that. And then how do I want to build it? I'll say GDPR rules. Let's see what that would do for me. So it's going to go through and obviously it's going to try to figure out what we're talking about. First of all, then it's going to try to set up some policies and some rules and essentially a pipeline with functions to match GDPR requirements. Here we go. Now, note, we're not saying by clicking this button you're fully GDPR compliant. What this does is kind of get you started. You can see the information, it's blanking out there. So once again, an easy tool, moves it along a little bit further. It's your wingman for this. And next module, I'll have even more. Once again, try it out yourself.